In today's competitive digital landscape, it is no longer enough to simply have a presence online. To truly succeed and dominate your industry, you need to constantly strive for better results and higher conversions. One powerful tool that can help you achieve this is A/B testing. By mastering the art of A/B testing, you can unlock the potential of your website or marketing campaigns and take them to new heights. Are you tired of seeing mediocre results despite all your efforts? Do you feel like there's something missing in your strategy that's preventing you from reaching the top? If so, then A/B testing might just be the game changer you've been looking for. So what exactly is A/B testing? In simple terms, it involves creating two versions, A and B, of a web page or marketing element with slight variations in design or content. These variations are then presented to different segments of your audience simultaneously. By comparing their performance metrics, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, or bounce rates, you can determine which version performs better. The rationale behind using A/B testing is clear. Why settle for guesswork when data-driven decisions can lead to tangible improvements? Instead of relying on assumptions about what might work best for your audience, let real-world data guide your optimization efforts. Here are some concrete takeaways that mastering A/B testing can offer. Increased conversion rates. Imagine being able to double or even triple your conversion rates without spending more on advertising. That's precisely what effective A/B testing allows you to do. By identifying which elements resonate best with visitors and prompt them to take action, you can optimize every aspect of your user experience. Improved user experience. Your website should be designed with one goal in mind, providing an exceptional user experience that keeps visitors engaged and encourages them to convert. A/B testing can help you identify pain points, such as confusing navigation or poorly placed call-to-action buttons, and address them to create a seamless user journey. Enhanced customer insights. A/B testing is not just about improving conversion rates. It's also an opportunity to gain valuable insights into your target audience. By analyzing the behavior and preferences of different segments, you can refine your buyer personas and tailor your messaging accordingly. Cost-effective optimization. Traditional methods of optimization often involve significant investments in research, design changes, or advertising campaigns. A/B testing offers a cost-effective alternative by allowing you to make incremental improvements based on real-time data rather than relying on costly overhauls. Now that we understand why mastering A/B testing is essential for driving conversions and dominating your industry, let's delve into how you can implement it effectively. Define clear objectives. Before starting any A/B test, clearly define what you want to achieve. Whether it's increasing click-through rates, reducing bounce rates, or boosting sales. Having specific objectives will guide your test design and ensure meaningful results. Identify key variables. Determine which elements of your web page or marketing asset are most likely to impact performance. Headlines, images, colors, layouts, and focus on testing those variables first. Avoid making too many changes at once, as this might muddy the waters when analyzing results. Segment your audience. To obtain accurate insights from your tests, segmenting your audience is crucial. Consider factors like demographics or past behavior when dividing users into groups for comparison purposes. Run simultaneous tests. For reliable results that reflect real-world conditions, accurately run both versions, A and B, simultaneously instead of running them at different times or days of the week. In conclusion, don't settle for mediocre results in today's competitive landscape. Master the art of A/B testing to drive conversions and dominate your industry. By harnessing the power of A/B testing, you can unlock the potential of your website or marketing campaigns and achieve exceptional results. Increased conversion rates, improved user experience, enhanced customer insights, and cost-effective optimization are just a few of the benefits that await those who embrace this data-driven approach. So why wait? Start implementing A/B testing today and take your business to new heights.